12 intensity levels. 12 intensity levels. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be very different. I know you're probably looking at the title wondering what the fuck are we doing today, but I'm going to be doing giving you a product review and my feedback of the YERRR Melt vibrator. Now, I went to this event a couple of months ago. It's about 2 or 3 months ago at this point, and they did gift us the Melt vibrator, which was the newest item at the moment. So we got to take it home, test it out. It's been tested a few times actually. So if you're interested in hearing more about the YERRR Melt, keep on watching. Alright guys, so jumping right in, I have the actual box itself right here. This is what the packaging for the YERRR Melt looks like. The YERRR Melt is a pressure air clitoral stimulator. Pressure air uses subtle changes in air pressure to gently massage the clitoris, leading to intense pleasure and epic orgasms. Melt's pulsating waves and gentle suction surround the clitoris with sensations that range from gentle kisses to stronger suction as you increase the intensity. This product is designed for couples. Melt's slim curved shape fits perfectly between you in any position with zero bulk to get in the way of your good time. Experience epic pleasure together. It's app controlled as well. We're going to get into all of that demo. Yeah. It is body safe. It's made with body safe silicone, free from phthalates and BPA, and made without latex, which is perfect for people that have latex allergies. Whisper quiet, I'm not so sure about, but we'll discuss. We connect, so it lets you know that it is app controlled. Extended sleep mode, it's rechargeable, low power alert, and waterproof, which is what we love. I'm gonna open it up. The device is not in there, of course. This has a different home now. So underneath is where they have the storage bag. This is great for just, you know, storing your actual device, but good for traveling as well. The 2 milliliter sample of YERRR lube. This is a water-based personal lubricant. And the actual charging cable itself. What I love about this actual charger here is that it is magnetic. So if your item or your device does get knocked over, this is definitely going to stay on there to make sure that your device is charged. I love that. I stand. Now getting into the actual device, this is the device itself. This is like a pinky coral kind of color. Very feminine, very soft. I love the way it feels. What I like about the device is that it is very easy to hold. It's not uncomfortable at all. I use it on my own time and I love the way it fits in the hand. Very easy to maneuver, to use, to grip, to navigate, right? So we have the on and off button. The on and off buttons are a plus and a negative sign. So of course the plus allows you to turn it on and increase the intensity. If you hold the negative sign for, I believe it's like 2 to 3 seconds, it will bring the intensity levels all the way down and shuts off. So I'm gonna start the device up. So this is the first level. You probably can't hear it very much, which I do like, but I feel that as you increase the intensity levels, I feel like the actual product gets louder. So that was 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this item has 12 intensity levels. Now, it says that it's quiet, but in my opinion, I feel like this is one of the louder toys I've come into contact with. So I'm going to hold it closer to the mic so that you can actually have an idea of what it does sound like. And it just sounds like humming. That's pretty much what it is. But of course it could just be me and I'm just very like aware and I hear it, so it bothers me a little bit. But of course, let me know what you think. Try it out, test it out. And let me know how it works for you. If you found the humming sound to be annoying, or if not, I feel like within like the first 5 to maybe 7 levels, it's very quiet. But once you get past 7, I feel like this is just like, I feel like it just gets really loud. Now, you can actually feel the air. I'm holding it against my hand. It's not pressing directly against my hand. There is some space in between the actual device itself and my hand, and you can feel the air. So now when you actually put that on your skin, yeah. So this is what it sounds like when it actually presses up against the skin. So you have a combination of like the vibration and the actual air. And this is on level 12 right now. So I'm actually going to bring this down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's the lowest one. Hold for 3 seconds and it's off. So that's one thing that I definitely like about the device itself. I love that it's very easy to power on and power off and maneuver between the actual 12 settings. I've tried this at a variety of levels, 2, 3, 7, 10, 12, and it works. Like, I really don't know how much detail to give with this, especially because this is something so very new, especially talking about on camera. I can talk about it with my friends easily, but now discussing it on a bigger platform to actually have this conversation with you all, sis does work. She does what she's supposed to do. The combination of the vibration and the air is just like holy shit, basically. This is probably one of the more advanced toys that I have used. And I really didn't get into toys until maybe 4 years ago or so. So this is probably like my really advanced big girl upgrade. Now, one thing I definitely wanted to mention was the actual app controls. So I'm going to connect the actual device to the app. So I am opening the We Connect app. So now to actually pair the item, I'm going, oh, so it's actually paired because I have paired it before. So now I'm going to turn it on. So you can adjust the actual intensity level on the phone. So it's all the way up right now, and I can bring it down, up. Like, I know you guys can see. And like, it's really low. And then I can pull that up, and it increases the intensity level. So something like this is great if you do have a partner. I see a lot of people do this on dates and stuff like that. I definitely want to try that one day. So I think that's one of the really cool things that I like about it. It's actually saying that my device is at 76%. So I like that it does give you the actual power level of your device. And one thing I do like is that when the battery does get low, it will alert you so that you know to charge it. One of the great things about technology like this is that there are many ways of notifying us versus older or different toys that require batteries and you don't have any new batteries. That shit is heartbreaking. Heartbreaking. But I love this because it's rechargeable and it lets you know like, hey, it's low, gives you like a little alert, and you can charge sis up. I definitely suggest trying it at various intensity levels to see what you like and what suits you. I have not tried it with a partner yet, but that is on the agenda for the future. Hey. I love that it's app controlled as well. Did I mention rechargeable? I think that's probably like the best thing in my opinion, because nobody want to be out here looking for batteries. Nobody wants to be doing that. Not in 2019 going on to 2020. Nobody wants to be out here looking for batteries. So this is probably one of the best things. 12 intensity levels. 12 intensity levels. And I forgot to mention, so with it being app control, you don't have to be in the same place as your partner. That's good shit. Like, you don't have to be in the same place as your partner. I think it takes a little longer, or I forgot how the pairing works. I forgot what the distance that you can be, and it will still work the way it's supposed to work. And it's also waterproof, so you have more options when using your device. So yeah, 100% waterproof, making it easy to enjoy anywhere and simple to clean. I clean mine with a little bit of like dish soap and water. That's it. Dry it off with a paper towel, and then I store it for later. That's pretty much my review. I really hope that it was very helpful. I definitely would give this item probably an 8 out of 10, and I think I take the points only because I feel like it's not as quiet as I would like it to be. I think that's pretty much like the biggest thing for me, is it's not as quiet as I would like it to be. But also I think it does take a little bit more patience to deal with the actual connecting of the app. It's not a big deal, but I really honestly think the sound is the most annoying part of it for me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. So happy buzzing.